Here, for example, here we can consider a boat. It is velocity of this boat is Vb. Here water velocity is what is it? Vr. Velocity of the boat with respect to river. Velocity of the boat with respect to river. Of boat with respect to river. VBR is called velocity of the boat with respect to river. And next, velocity of the water with respect to ground. This is, that is velocity of the river with respect to ground, BRG. Therefore, velocity of river with respect to ground. Then, what is the velocity of this, what is that, boat with respect to ground? Therefore, velocity of the boat with respect to river plus velocity of the river with respect to ground. This is velocity of the boat with respect to ground. Therefore, VBG, that is equal to VB minus of VR plus VR minus of VG. VR get cancelled. VBG is equal to VB minus of VG. Okay, this is relative velocity between boat and ground. Right. Next topic, man in rain. Next, man in rain. So, can consider the rain is falling vertically down. So, man is walking along a straight horizontal road. This is velocity of the rain direction. Man velocity is Vm. Right. So, Vr, it is equal to velocity of rain. Vm is equal to velocity of man. Now, here, if rain falls vertically down condition, rain fall vertically down. Right. So here, velocity of the rain with respect to man. What is the velocity of rain with respect to man? Man. It means how he can hold the umbrella to avoiding getting wet. So, what is the condition? So, velocity of the rain with respect to man, that is equal VRM, VR minus of what is that? Vm. Okay. Next, so the resultant, okay, is VR minus of Vm. Now we can draw the diagram. This is velocity of the rain. This is Vm. Next, minus of Vm. Right. So this is first vector. Next, negative vector of the second one. Resultant is closing the triangle taken in reverse order. This is VRM. Okay. So angle made by this, what is it? Umbrella with vertical, that is alpha, with horizontal it is beta. Right. So a man can hold this umbrella, okay, making an angle alpha with vertical, making an angle beta with the horizontal to avoid the getting wet. So velocity of the rain with respect to man, that is equal to VR square plus minus of VM whole square. This is velocity of the rain with respect to magnitude. Next, direction. Direction we can indicate it with what is it? Cos alpha, sin alpha, tan alpha. So therefore here tan of alpha is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is minus of Vm divided by Vr, right? Then otherwise with this is angle with vertical, angle with horizontal, that is tan of beta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, Vr divided by Vm magnitude. Okay, so this is direction, this is umbrella position. Rain falling, making an angle theta with vertical, right? If rain is falling making an angle theta with the vertical, so we can consider this is vertical, right? Next, rain is falling making an angle theta with this vertical direction, this is theta. Now this is rain falling direction, it is called what is it? Vertical. Now man is moving along the straight road with a velocity Vm. Okay, now velocity of the rain with respect to man. What is the velocity of the rain with respect to man? Velocity of rain with respect to man, that is Vrm. Vrm is equal to Vr minus of what is that? Vm. This is Vr. Okay, this is plus Vm. Next we can consider as this is minus of Vm. Now resultant is what is it? Closing the triangle taken in reverse order. This is Vrm. Okay, so up to here we can consider as x. This is what is it? Y. So a man can hold this umbrella by to avoid getting wet. This is position of the umbrella. Okay, a man can hold the umbrella making an angle, what is it? Alpha with this vertical direction. So velocity of the rain with respect to man, formula is what is it? Vr square plus Vm square. This is magnitude. Direction of this means in terms of tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side, y by x. Therefore tan of alpha is equal to with respect to what is that? Angle with respect to Vrm. Angle with respect to what is that? Rain. Angle with respect to rain, that is Vr. angle with respect to VRM. So therefore tan alpha is equal to opposite side, that is totally x minus of Vm, okay, x minus of Vm divided by opposite side by adjacent side, that is okay.